it's Marina here with Good Earth Builders. We are at 128 Carrington Close, Northwest Calgary. We're going to go on inside at another secondary suite location and see the initial stages of this wonderful project. Let's go on in. Alright, so the secondary suite is in its initial stages. Rough-ins have been done, framing, HVAC and plumbing in the works. Let's go on in. It'll be quite different when we do an updated video. But as you can see, we're making an entrance there for the renter. A nice closet when they walk in. There's no lighting here yet. Bear with me. A lot of customers in Calgary are jumping on board with the secondary legal suite development. A huge reason being is that they actually get a $10,000 grant rebate back from the government by helping out with the bills. Secondary legal suite development basements. Which of course helps alleviate the housing crisis. If you'd like more information on how to get involved with the secondary legal suite development in Calgary, give us a call 403-992-8476 or check us out at goodearthbuilders.ca. Thanks so much and have a wonderful day.